All right, gonna go get the other parts. Be right back. Okay, here are the long pieces and the short pieces. Basically, so you can see how it's gone so far, is the way it works out. So it's got to be swollen to fit inside that hole, but not that direction. This way, it goes in there like that. I got to trim these ends off here so it fits better in the cup. And put the legs through there. Select another cup. And there we have the beginnings of a ring chain. Gotta find something to hook this up on so I can build more. So I have to toss that in there. Slide this through there. Then hook on another one. So that's kind of how that's gonna go. Maybe it'll work. Have to spread it out. There we go. Kind of like that. I'll spread this wider here, like this one here, so it stays in and not jump off. But anyway, that's the beginnings of it. Now just a bunch more to do. All those laying out there.